Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon Nearly Naked Foundation, which is in the shade Vanilla. I think you can see it. I actually really like this foundation, but the only problem that I have with it is the lid. It's kind of unhygienic. I mean, I'd prefer it if it had a pump. I'd be pretty happy if it had a pump. I mean, just for convenience and also hygiene purposes. And I really like the size of this though. I'll talk about the packaging first. I really like the size of this. I mean, it's absolutely like amazing. Like it's perfect. It's compact. You put it in your bag. You go out or wherever it is that you're going. I'm actually really happy with it. I got in the shade of Vanilla, which I said before, and it's also got SPF 20. It smells like sunscreen. It does. It smells like sunscreen. And I like how it clicks to let you know that it's closed and you can just put it wherever. But I like that it's glass. Some people might not like that it's glass, but I do. I mean, it makes it look more like classy, I guess, in a way. But yeah, so to the contents. I actually really like this foundation. I mean, it's light, it's dewy, it's fresh, it's just, you know, and also it covers everything. Thank goodness. Like and it doesn't slide off my face. Like, I mean, I've had it for about 8 hours just on daily. I haven't tried it for the whole day, but I have tried it 8 hours daytime. And let me say, I love it. I mean, it's amazing. It's great. It doesn't make my face oily because I do have oily skin. I mean, it doesn't slide off my face. It doesn't like transfer to my hand whenever like I consciously touch my face or something. But yeah, other than that, I think it's really good. I mean, I like it. I mean, I'm happy with this. I mean, I would definitely buy it again. I'll be honest with you, I would buy it again. But they just need I'm hoping that they come out with a pump next time. But the lid, I really like the lid. It's like white. I mean, it looks classy. It's broad spectrum, which I don't know what that means. Oh, yeah. And it's just, yeah, it comes with it has the ingredients at the back, by the way. But it feels really light on my skin. I'm really happy with it, and I would definitely buy this again. I would definitely buy this again without a doubt. Yes, I don't think I have much else to say except that it's really good, and I'm really happy with it. I don't really have much else to say except that I'm really happy with this, and I love the packaging and everything, and I would buy it again. I've had different foundations previous to this, and I can't say that this is better than that, but this is definitely good for the average user. But yeah, so I would rate this probably 9 out of 10, just because of the packaging, and I would like it if they made a bigger packaging, because let's face it, this won't last you long, and for the price, I don't know, but I would definitely buy it again, and I'm really happy with it.